After the noise of another long day, after the words had just slipped away, I sit by the window watching the sky, and I ask my heart quietly why. If love is real, what does it do? Is it just something we fall into? Or is it the hand that stays when it can leave? The calm that we feel when we breathe? Maybe it's simple, maybe it's clear. Love is the courage to keep someone near. Love is the giving without keeping score. Love is the open, unlocked door. It's choosing another when it costs you pride. It's laying your comfort gently aside. Greater love isn't loud, it doesn't insist. It's quietly saying, I'm here, I won't miss this. It isn't the roses fading too fast. It isn't the promise tied to the past. It's staying awake when someone's afraid. It's light in the choices we made. If love is patient, steady and kind, it doesn't lose itself in the grind. It doesn't demand we shrink to survive. It helps us become more alive. Maybe it's softer than we've been told. Love doesn't weaken, it makes us whole. Love is the giving without keeping score. Love is the heart that makes room for more. It's standing beside you when the road bends. It's laying your life down for the sake of a friend. Greater love isn't proud, it doesn't resist. It's quietly whispering, I'm here, I exist. We don't have to lose ourselves to prove that we care. Real love lifts us higher because it's fair. It doesn't erase you, it doesn't pretend. It wants you stronger when the night descends.
Uncertain days, it's finding the beauty in simple things, in peace that settles and softly sings. Greater love isn't dramatic, it simply persists. It's quietly said, I'm here, you're worth this. If love is real, it feels like home.